Hi, everyone. If you missed our nutrition program that we started yesterday, you still have 5 more weeks. So, we'd like to get you registered so that you can join us next Tuesday, July 7th. Every Tuesday for the next 5 weeks, we'll continue to have the Kickin Nutrition program. This is your last chance to register and participate in the program. So, at Kickin Nutrition, we get to meet Reyna and her friends, and they take us through her kitchen and we do different recipes. Every week it's a different theme. You get to see them actually cooking and prepping the food. You get to hear them talk about nutrition, talk about the My Plate, and have a lot of fun. We also got the opportunity in some of the video programs that we watched to play a couple of games, to learn about different vegetables. This program is going to be offered virtually again for the next 5 weeks, and we want to get you registered. So if you have a kid or a child that is in 4th through 8th grade, they are eligible to participate in this program. All they have to do is go on our Eventbrite Person County Extension website page, or just our Person County page, and you can find the link there and register. And we will send you the information about the Zoom and where to go. But don't be worried if you missed the first lesson. Again, they just did an overview of the My Plate, and we got to do a Move It lesson from the guest speaker, NBA professional basketball player. And he took us through a 3-minute exercise. So the whole point of Kickin Nutrition TV is to get you up, get you moving, to teach you about nutrition, and to do it through a virtual format. We hope that you're interested in doing this, and you can join us to have a blast next Tuesday, July 7th from 3 to 4 p.m. Go ahead and comment below if you want the registration link and get registered today.